Hey, it's Kim of Tastin' Ladies with Dave. Me and Shelly's going to be doing a few different things. This couple, get your head out of there. We got Buddy with us. He's going to get his head stuck. Buster, seriously. You're getting so skinny you could probably fit through there. That would not be a good idea. Anyway, we brought Buddy up here to Ocean City, Maryland for the car show. We were here on 12th Street, Howard Johnson. It's got a pool. It's got a hot tub, supposedly. We're going to find out. It's got a bar. I did see that part. So the car show is every spring and every fall. It's cruising. Cruising. Old cars. You know me and my cars. Shelly's coming here in a couple weeks for a concert. You know, I've done so many concerts in my life. I'm like not really trying to do that so much anymore. I've gotten really into old cars, as you've seen a few car shows on Tastin' Ladies. So we're here doing Cruising USA, Cruising Ocean City, whatever. They do the boardwalk parade, and right down there it is. Everybody's carrying beer, and it looks like Miller. I'm not sure why. I've seen everybody carrying Miller. I think it's kind of strange. Must be something going on. We got seagulls up here. Anyway, the dog. And all kinds of hotels. So, you know, when you come here, if you're gonna, Shelly's gonna do a little bit on, I'm just trying to show you around. Look, there, you know, there's water, there's gonna be so many cars. We're gonna be, this is a Thursday night where it starts. Everybody takes their lawn chairs and they sit out here and watch the cars go by. It's pretty amazing. Chilling out with their beer. These people over here are drinking beer down here. Over there. Anyway. The ocean's right here. Buddy's right there. He wants to go. Lots of backfiring. Anyway, it's such a good time. We're gonna bring you with us. Probably hit up a couple of bars, distillery maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Let's check it out. Come on, bud. Let's go. Parking garage, which is pretty cool. We got lawn chairs. There's a shit ton of cars in this parking garage. Anyway. See, they take off all kinds of freaking awesome noise because I love the sound of a big engine. A big engine. Lots of those too. So you gotta watch what you're doing. All about that. Anyway, it's one big party. All kinds of cars. Cruising. A lot of them just cruising along. Gotta love it. So here at the Howard Johnson. Must be where everybody's bringing their cars to keep them out of the weather before tomorrow's parade. So we are so excited to be here right now. Look at all this. This is amazing. Why is it blurry? I need a new phone. There we go. Oh wow, much better. Get my sticky fingers off of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Look, all these drinks right here next door to the Best Western. Well, it's not a Best Western, it's a Howard Johnson. There's something out west. I get it mixed up. Why do I get Best Western and Howard Johnson mixed up? I'm a Tastin' Lady. I don't know anything about hotels.
How many of y'all live in there? Hotel volume. So, I bet you will be here until like midnight.
Yeah, does it get busy? I hope it gets busy. Look, this
I
is
hope so too. I mean, I don't know. I feel like tonight is going to be a later night.
Now that's a good
probably
drink.
Still out.
Oh yeah. I mean, but your kids will be able for at least an hour or two, right?
Oh, the kitchen's every time.
So everything is open, even though it says it's closed, because this is a special weekend. Cruising Ocean City. You'll see. What do you think about your drink? What'd you get?
Nothing special.
Nothing special. Well, this is special right here. This is good for me, good for you. I would advise it. So now we're getting round 2 here at the... What? Why does that say Badass Pepper? We're at the Brass Ball Saloon. So you got one call.
It is.
Oh, there it is. Wait. Anyway, I'm retarded. Dave got a, what is it called?
Dragging my ball.
Dragging my balls. So if you come here, that is so dragging my balls. And I got the perfect Patron crush. Now she's making me a Si Senorita. Sorry, Si Senor. Which has... This place is totally rad. Come check it out. Look at that rim. Tasting the ladies. Tasting drinks. Ooh. Oh, that one's got some spice to it. Even though I dripped it down my leg. Right down there. Somewhere I dripped it. But anyway, that is good. That is the Si Senor. And so it's spicy. You want to try it, Dave?
Sure.
Since Shelly's not here, she doesn't do tequila anyway.
Oh God! Try out for the rim.
Dave's like, no, it's got jalapeno.
Oh no,
Syrup.
no.
No?
No, try off the rim.
Oh, you did it off the rim? Never do it off the rim. Anyway, our little bartender's pretty cute and nice. It's always good to have good stuff going on. So anyway, yeah, cruising Ocean City. We're gonna so much to show you guys. So stay tuned and subscribe. Damn it.
Drinks and that are on the list that they had.
No way.
I mean, yeah, we got a board. You know, it's like we'll come up with one bartender is really good, and she likes to do all this stuff.
That is so funny.
And she'll make these drinks,
We're
and all the rest
talking
of
about
them.
Jess. Jess is our best bartender at the Riff House
not even-
Pub. All the bands play at the Riff House Pub in Chesapeake.
We
I have a YouTube channel too.
have.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, we do. It's Tasting Ladies, so you'll be on our little thing. So Tasting Ladies, Kim and Dave are here at the Ocean City cruising. Somebody took our spot with the chairs, but it's okay. Everybody's having a good time, stumbling around a little bit, but there's so much action. Oh, there's a shell. All right, Badster, I know it's a lot going on. Beautiful trucks, beautiful cars, people sitting out here. Party time. Getting all ready for the parade in the morning. Oh. I would do this and nobody comes along, so. He can't hear that well. He's 15 or 16. So his hearing's there, but it's not like it used to be. Right, Bud? No peeing on the flowers. I'm gonna have to charge this overnight.
Yeah.
He's super stumbly, but he's doing good, you know, for a 15-year-old dog. Wanna go up there and pee on that grass? Oh, looky there. So we are staying at the Howard Johnson. There we go. With the dog. It's one of the only hotels along here that is dog friendly. So we can sit out here like these guys are doing and check out all the cars cruising. That's why we call it, that's why they call it cruising. Really super cool. But he's like, let me go see. It don't scare him, he's good.
Well, you can smell the
Just smell it.
shitty tune.
The non-ethanol. No, just kidding.
And then the turbocharged wine.
But he's like, let's go to the beach, Mama. Good times, right? Right, Bob? What do you think? So what's cool about this Howard Johnson, they gave us some cute little goodies that said do not disturb, and look at the cookies. Aww. You really need to eat your cookie. Want to get in your bed? He's like, that's not my bed. Anyway, this is a super cool balcony spot with the beach on one side. All the awesome cars on the other side. Oops, cars and trucks, sorry. All kind. No, there's a lot of places to eat over here too, look. Anyway, Buddy's tried to stick his whole body through there, so he can't be left unattended, obviously. Just found out he can't really be on the boardwalk, but we're gonna do whatever we want to do. Anyway. Good times. So they cruise that way and then that way. And there's the sunset. Huh? Over. For some reason, it sounds terrible. I don't know.
That's a lower wiring.
A what?
It's lower wiring.
Well, pretty awesome. Anyway, Buddy is over there doing something. Buster! Did you get stuck? He was really intrigued with this trailer that's right next to us because we're tailgating in this garage. The cop pulled over that truck for some reason, but anyway, we're having fun here tailgating. Drinking drinks and Buddy's stuck, I think. We need to like pull him over. Watching everybody cruise by, really cool. It's about 59 degrees, and at least this year there's no misty rain. So this is a parade of its own. This is what you do on Thursday night. You sit in your hotel room and just chill out. And then in the morning we'll do the parade on the boardwalk. Buster! Jesus. absolutely gorgeous at night. And the ocean is there. What can I say, huh? What do you think, bud? So they started early, and we are not early birds whatsoever. Anyway, the parade goes on for a long time. They start over here, and we're supposed to be already down there, but I hate mornings.